What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just,
I said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
what
more
are
animals,
you
man.
with? A possum?
What?
That's right.
Just because mom gets upset when you bite her toes when she's trying to sleep doesn't mean she doesn't love you.
Dear Diary, I've decided to plead with the authorities to rub my belly. I think it'll do me good in my current condition. I would like to receive 2 rubs exactly. A third one and I will bite the shit out of it.
You okay, boy?
What?
I wonder if I look over if you just hang. Oh, baby. Oh. Let go, baby.
You got it. Oh my god. No. Go, go, go. No. Is it coming? Yeah, he's back. Where is it? Oh, no. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did we do? Hey, come here.
Dear Diary, my food dish is now only half full. It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention to my predicament with the authorities, but they are clearly either stupid, deaf, or just cruel.
T'es pas content, là? On est en crise, là? Oui, je suis. Are we about to kiss right now?
My heart went, ooh, I never will forget. My heart went, ooh, I never will forget.
Wow.
My heart turned hoop.
I mean, how many times? How many times are you gonna let him rule your life? That's your bed.
Hey, do something cool.
Do you feel guilty? I'm the one who has to clean this.
I was just gonna close this because it looked wrong, but something told me to check inside for this idiot.
Dear Diary, it has been 40 minutes since I was abducted from my sleeping corner. This tiny human has taken me prisoner and I am being held against my will. I will remain calm and docile for the time, though I fear I will become alive with rage.
No, Mother.
That's what I thought.
Handsome boy. Look at me, handsome. Oh, you and your sweat. Oh my God. Are you okay? What a handsome. No. Handsome boy. Oh my God.